Ever wonder why some people seem to effortlessly excel while others struggle to keep up? It's not luck or fluke, but it's a conscious, continuous process. Excellence isn't a destination you stumble upon, it is a journey you embark on each day. Refining your skills, honing your craft, and pushing your boundaries. Take the example of Ravi Shankar, the legendary sitar player. He didn't master his craft overnight. It took years of dedication, practicing each note until they resonated with perfection. Similarly, every small step you take towards improvement compounds over time, leading to remarkable results. But here's the point. Excellence requires action. It is not enough to dream or wish for success. You have to actively go after it. Set goals, accept challenges, and never settle for mediocrity. Remember, greatness isn't reserved for the chosen few. It's within reach for anyone willing to put in the effort. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey towards excellence today and watch as your dreams transform into reality. Thanks for watching. This is Rajiv Kumar Lal.